Quentin,
Yes, sir.
welcome.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, this is the J40.
That is the J45. That is
And
our stock
This
J45.
is the one that we picked out to be kind of the gold standard reference guitar.
Exactly.
And recently, this one experienced a little
we were
dehydration.
bad, and we let it dry out a little bit.
And then we came in and we started, I saw this thing in there. At first I thought, oh, it's one of those feedback busters, right?
Yeah.
And it definitely mutes the sound, but that's
does.
not the purpose of it.
Right.
It can serve that purpose, a nice quiet.
Yeah.
Almost like a guitar mute if you want to keep your big boomy guitars quiet
Yep.
for the couch.
But hand me that, I'll show you.
Yeah, but this, then you explained to me that this was actually,
Yep, that's our little humidifier.
the and it's interesting because the logo, I read it upside down. When you read it here, you could mispronunciate it. It's pronounced Jawoom or Jawum.
Jawum.
Yeah, it's not a Woomor. If you
Yeah.
flip the logo over, you could.
It's the
misinterpret- Yes.
Woomor.
Yeah, no, but it's Jawum.
It is Jawum.
And you explained this is a sound
It's
hole humidifier.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of different little versions out there,
Mhm.
but this one you wet this sponge,
Mhm.
drop it back in, and it
And
just,
it clips in,
locks in there, and,
and
there's
then it
little holes
just-
there.
Yeah, and then it just
Yeah.
sits in. The nice advantage of this type is it kind of locks in. It's got a nice
Yeah.
little rubber ring, and it
Yeah.
fits snugly in your sound hole
Well, and it holds the moisture inside there.
inside the
So-
guitar.
But there's also, see, in our climate here, it's dry, especially in the winter,
Yep.
extremely dry. So in the winter,
Forced
I'll
air.
do sometimes one of these,
Mhm.
and then I'll also do something like a sponge like this.
Yep.
It's
Throw
just
that
a
up in,
regular old kitchen sponge
in your
kind of
case in the
Yep.
headstock area
Yep.
space.
thing. Maybe
Yep.
like right here in the case,
Okay.
or the
Depending on
heel
your
of the
case,
guitar is maybe under there. Because what can also happen is your fretboard can get dry, and then
Mhm.
the frets poke out, and it's just something we deal with all the time.
This
here.
is the
So,
this should be part of the standard care and feeding of your instrument is
Yes.
keeping an appropriate humidity. And we're focused
Exactly.
on because we're in a dry climate, our big risk is drying out. And
Yep.
then your top sinks, your neck does
everything's
whatever.
a mess.
It just falls apart.
Here's
Yeah.
another version.
Yeah, this
little-
is the one that I'm traditionally familiar with, right?
Yeah.
There's a
Sponge in
absorbent material in the middle. You
Yep.
soak it up, and then this kind of just sets in between strings,
Right.
and it hangs down in. But the issue is,
Right.
then you still got the big open space.
Totally.
Right. So,
But if it's in your case and you're closing
if it's in your case, then that's
and
that's a
sometimes maybe you
perfect-
don't need as much humidity.
Right,
that
and this
could
kind
work.
of maybe helps distribute it more throughout the inside for your
Yeah.
bracing and whatnot.
You got this one.
The similar concept, I've used these before. This it's kind of wide, but it's thin, so it will slide again in between the strings. And the material in there is this super absorbent.
Very absorbent. It holds a lot of moisture.
Yeah, it's a weird type of spongy material. So you soak that up, and you get an extended release of humidity from this device that normal sponges, your kitchen sponges, wouldn't be able to provide.
Correct. Then
And
you've
then-
got the old D'Addario. These are those packs, right?
Okay.
So the humid pack. So it comes with 3 packs, and then this little felt thing that goes over the sound hole, and you can
Alright.
put 2 pouches in there.
I see.
And then there's a third little pouch that goes under the headstock.
So this is the complete system.
Yep.
And
the
it does
complete
have a sound
system.
hole cover to keep it
Yeah,
in.
it's not really a cover. It just it just droop,
Oh, okay.
it just
I see.
hangs
Kinda
over.
hangs in.
So you can put 3 packs in your guitar case, and it also does the reverse in over humid climates.
It can.
So this
draw,
kind of
so it can
stays
moder-
45 to 50.
This is self-moderating.
Yeah.
Self-regulating.
Yep.
Gotcha.
These are kind of nice too if you're leaving town for a couple weeks.
Yeah, I mean, our focus here
Mhm.
is getting water into the guitar and keeping it there.
Yep.
You may be in a really humid climate where
Yep.
your intent is maybe you need to dehumidify a
Yeah,
little bit
because
so you
otherwise
don't
your body
overswell.
swells up.
Right. So, and how do you know what your humidity is? Well, you need
Here's what I do.
you need a hygrometer.
Yeah.
Something
And
that will
ultimately,
tell
I
you.
mean, this is just a real basic one.
Mhm.
These can be off.
They're not highly
They're like three
precise and accurate.
up or 3 down, or
right.
they're never like perfect. But what I like about these is you put it in your house
Right.
when you walk in the door, or the living room, or whatever. You have this in the living room, and then you see it when you walk in the door, and you're like, ooh,
It's dry.
scary.
Or
Yeah.
it's really
Yeah.
humid. I need
Yeah.
to.
So we have
attend
these
to
all
my
over the
guitar.
store,
Right.
and we like to see 40 at least. You
And
know.
so what I like to do I have a small office, and I keep same principle. I keep that in there, and I like to see my guitars, like to hang them on the walls, like this. They're hanging up, and I keep a small cool mist humidifier in the room.
Yeah.
Right, and I'm constantly checking to make sure that all the
Yep.
instruments are at an appropriate humidity, approximately 40%.
Yep.
Is what
40 is the best. 45 I think is ideal.
Mm-hmm.
40, we're lucky to keep it at 40 in this store.
right.
But this is a big store,
Mm-hmm.
but we are keeping it at 40 all the time. Sometimes we're at 45.
And so what really drew my attention to this when I realized that this is a humidification system is you can go into so many people's houses, and maybe some of the viewers have this, where you want your guitar available, right? You put it in the case and it's like out of sight, out of mind.
Right.
So you want to hang it because it's beautiful, or you want to hang it because you want to reach up and just grab it. Well,
Yeah.
if you're in an area that is drier, then this is a great
That's
addition.
a good way to do if you want to hang it.
If you want to hang it in a room
Yeah.
that's not otherwise
But you still got to
humidity
be
controlled.
careful about the neck.
Yeah, you still want to pay attention.
But that's more important. This is important because if this body cracks, it's tough.
When this sinks, it's hard to really bring it back once it's kind of warped out a little bit like that. So anyway, thanks for
all these are available on our website.
Yeah, check them out.
Musicvilla.com.
Take care of these things, right? You invest potentially many thousands of dollars in an heirloom guitar, and this is like a small price to pay to
I
keep
still
it.
have people that say, I don't believe in humidifying. My old guitar I've had for 50 years and it never cracked. I'm like,
okay,
doesn't matter.
Good for you.
It does not matter. I've seen even old guitars that were 50 years old that I thought there's no way you could dry it out, and I've seen them dry out. So new ones dry, some new ones don't. It's just
perhaps where like the humidity
just
where it's
wood.
actually being assembled.
Yeah.
Once it locks in, it stays there. Maybe that affects it. But
yeah.
for myself, I wear a seatbelt. I know
good idea.
It's not a great chance that I'm going to get in an accident. I
Yeah.
hope, but
Yeah.
I want to avoid the damage if it were to occur. So this is a simple investment.
It's super easy to do too.
to help ensure your guitar's going to be with you for the long haul without,
Takes you about 30 seconds a week to do.
Yep.
All you got to do is re-wet that sponge. So,
Yep.
all right, Quentin.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for going through this.
Thanks
and
for
taking the time.
bringing this up. You said
bet.
someone had asked about what that was. And
Yeah, I think there was a comment
Yeah.
like, "What is the name of this thing? Where can I get
There
it?"
you
So,
go.
so there you go. Yeah,
Thank you.
you bet.
Thanks for watching.